11. Boys Singles 10 under final stage. John Nico Manalo of Santuario versus Lance Villegas of Pato. On table number 18, girls singles 12 and under, final stage. Tricia Pilares of Hagibis versus Rizumo Uno of Nissin Japan Table Tennis Club. Pilares versus Uno, table number 13. One, two, come. 1. On table number 9 for the girls singles 12 and under.